Steven found something. What did you find?
So another passion fruit. It's also not native here. This is Passiflora foetida. The unique thing is these hairs actually eat insects. This is one of the only fruits in the world that the fruit eats insects.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So it actually consumes them to get nutrients, or is it like a defense mechanism?
It eats them for nutrients.
That's amazing. They should be orange though.
Yeah, there's orange ones over here, but...
There's orange ones, but as you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but they're like broken open. It looks like something has been eating them. So something's got to them before we did.
Aha, here's one. Nope, that was also eaten.
They're all eaten.
This one's close enough.
Should it be that color on the inside?
Yeah, that looks like it's gonna be sweet enough. This is actually a pretty good wild fruit. Here, do you want to try that, Jared?
Here, you try it.
All right. Yeah, it tastes just like a grenadilla.
Is that, you've had it before, and that tastes the way it should taste?
Yeah, well, these are actually pretty big for this species. They're just in landscape. They birds spread them.
Cool.
And they're invasive all across the tropics.
That's what we like.
Yep.
Easy to find. Okay. So we got Passiflora foetida.
Yep.
It's all right. Very mild flavor. It's a little bit sweet. Maybe like 3 out of 10.
Let me find you another one.
Little tart, not too much. Does taste like grenadilla, but a little milder. Maybe just because it's unripe.
Yeah.
Like a little bit unripe, but pretty good.
Yeah.
I think we could probably find a better one. All right, I think I found a better one. Let's just hope that the birds did not get to this, or whatever creature. Okay. It broke open as I grabbed it. It's got slight bitterness to it, which makes me wonder it's a little overripe maybe?
Maybe try to find another one.
Yeah. Okay, we've got one that looks good. It's not eaten by anything. It looks perfectly ripe. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
All right, do you want to try some of this?
I tried the other one. You can try that one. That one looks like a better one.
I'll do a full dosage then. It's good.
Yeah.
It's mild. There's not like a whole lot of flavor to it. Nothing like crazy. It's got a grenadilla kind of flavor. So it's like sweet. Not really like what you think about when you think of a passion fruit.
Yeah.
It's just kind of like a mild, sweet flavor. The texture is like, I find it like a little objectionable. It's kind of like fish egg kind of texture,
Okay.
little slimy little nuggets, but it's nice though. Like if I had this growing in my yard, I'd be eating this like all the time. It's just kind of like refreshing, mild.
To me, it's kind of like a smaller version of grenadilla.
Yeah. Well, it tastes like grenadillas they taste like very like sweet.
Yeah.
Not a very strong flavor. They're very mild.
Yeah. Low acid.
You kind of like drink it. It's more like refreshing kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
This is just a tiny, basically like a tiny variety of it. And what is the name of this? Foetida.
Passiflora foetida.
Okay, so another passion fruit down on this trip to Africa. So far it seems like Africa has been very good for passion fruits. Let's see what else we can find.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
I'm kind of curious to go up this road.
Yeah, let's do it. What else can be found? Fruits everywhere.
That one's actually
Fruits.
not a fruit. That one is cassava root.
Okay, cassava.
Yeah.
Well, I really hope you enjoyed that video, guys. If you did, you may want to check out the video that is below me right now. That should be good too. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, it is a huge help to my channel, so please do consider subscribing or clicking that bell. That does something too. Not sure what it is. Also, check out the description below. There's all sorts of other things I have going on. I don't even know anymore. But guys, I will see you next time. Take care.